Hello everyone. This video provides an overview of the user interface for application software ALSON VizMaster. To open the software, double-click the software icon. The GUI is divided into several sections. The menu bar is located in the top left corner. The shortcut toolbar is at the bottom and enables you to create projects and perform other common functions. The project list bar displays open projects. If you are unfamiliar with project construction, select the example project or create a blank project by clicking the Create Project button in the shortcut toolbar. Input the project name and description, and the newly created or accessed project will be displayed in the project list. Click it to view its specific composition in the editing area. On the bottom left-hand side, you will find the algorithm toolbox that offers various types of operators to create a project. In the middle, there is the edit area. This is where we can edit the visual engineering processing flow. Underneath is the log area, which continuously updates in real time. Finally, on the top right-hand side, you will see the port data display area. This area includes a 3D point cloud window and a 2D image window. The operator allows instant modification of the display strategy. The process parameter formula area enables selection of distinct parameter recipes tailored to varying requirements with the option to have multiple recipes for one project. The operator properties, description, and configuration modules are located at the bottom right. Upon selecting an operator in the editing area, the relevant information is viewable here. Within the operator property, you have the ability to modify parameters of your selected operator for debugging purposes. To view a detailed description of the selected operator's functions and parameters, select the operator description. The port display configuration module is responsible for controlling the display of individual operator results in the port data display window. Connecting with the robot and running the project will allow you to click operation mode, which displays real-time data of the project. The software enables auto start and auto connect with ALSON Trans Server. To access the general settings, click on Settings in the menu bar, adjust the connection times and time intervals as necessary, and save the changes to take effect. In the startup configuration, tick the Auto Start option and set the delayed startup time, for instance to 3 seconds. Upon booting up the PC the next time, software will delay for 3 seconds to carry out the self-boot process. Users can select their preferred language based on self-requirements. Please note that this function will only take effect after restarting the software upon saving. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.